Hello, I want to show you how to replace timing bell Fiat 512.2 51 kilowatt. So I would like to share you about the Fiat 501 2-point engine 51 kilowatt. This is all the tool, and you can see. So you can see two engine hang up. This is all the tool can use. So you can use for the crank block, you can use the time tension device. You can use the centering tool, and you adjust to cam. This is the tiny torque. You can torque support track screw, scrap, sharp, forward screw, cam sharp, sensor screw valve over engine mounting nut, engine braking screw, tension roller nut, and vehicle achievement. It's all Newton. You can use all of this. So if you work, you must remove all the tool bell guard at the top. Move this one. So should I mention? And then remove this one for the crank pulley. So you can use then engine brakes. Then engine brake addition support, engine brakes support the support engine. So remove battery, remove trail battery, disconnect engine control unit flush unscrew, remove control nut for this one, removes, yes. Engine control unit nut, engine control unit support, and engine control unit. So you can screw to take out this one, or yes, then electric plots. Number 2, concept sensor plot. Number 3, concept sensor screw. Number 4, concept sensors. So remove the clamp, then move to this one, the hose, to crank ventilation, electronic plot unit 3. Remove this one, ignition cable, 2, ignition oil ploy, 3, screw ignition coil, 4, ignition coil. So you can remove all this one, cable harness, braking screw, valve cover, and screw valve cover. And you can remove this one, engine mount. So engine brake and screw, engine mounting nut, engine braking. Yeah. Insert holding track and lining engine slide. Third, and holding. Reset dam. 2 holder. 3 2 holder. Rotation, ground, direction or engine rotation. Use tool. Rotation, ground, wheel rotation. Then 2 is the adjust tool cam. This one is marking cam. The mark. So this one. 2 adjusting tool. So the marking. So don't marking here. Insert grounding blocking tool. Then grounding pulley. Grounding blocking tool. Then intention. First intention roller. 2 in intention roller nut. 2 intention roller. 1 is intention. 3 is intention spender. 4 pointer. 5 reference nut. The reference nut. See this reference nut on the back of the intention. Install. Install. Valve cover. Valve cover. Install crank pulley and crank and cam pulley must be not rotation completely with the tool belt removed. Rotation, roller, tension roller, anti-clockwise direction to stop. Tension, roller nut, this one, rotation. Requires 20 tool, special tool. You see, this one. Remove all the block and turn crank to revolution direction engine. See the engine top TDC marking. TDC to mark. So I mentioned about marks and I come and I crank marks. Blocking tool. Yes, use the tool, check the engine setting, remove all the blocking. Looking tension roll nut, turn the tension knot anti-clockwise points with the mark ribbon at 1.5. 2 ground revolution, turning direction engine TDC. Use it to check engine, remove all blocking, continue to assembly in reverse order, remove install valve, the valve cover. Start engine check function, the code ratio program relation document, touch spell chain, carry out the test drive. Yes, that's all. I think that's all for Mark. First, then there is master tie, but Mark this one. The crank master holders and tool holder. Also, you can see the marker. And then come mark is this one, the one you can see this one, the holder. Yeah, I think It is all. Thank you for watching.